Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to demonstrate on how to use VI Editor in Unix platform. For that one, we have to go by clicking on this terminal, and then we go to with the create a file for VI Editor in order to edit something. So we go to with the VI Editor 21. Okay, VI Editor 21 means the file name of the VI Editor. So we go with the clicking on the enter button, and there you go. There are so many tiles here, and then there is a name of file here. So in order to go with the edit something in the VI Editor, we should dive in all the commands in the VI Editor in order for easier editing. So we go with the escape button for the escape mode in order to execute the command. So we go with the small I. Yeah, with small I. What small I function is insert text at the current cursor position. So here is our current position. So I just type what I want. I just type what I want. There you go. And then in order to go with the capital I, in order to insert text at the beginning of the line, we have to go to the escape mode first. So as usual, in order to go with the escape mode, we have to pressing button of escape, and then we go with the capital I. So we click that capital I, and then there you go. It go with the beginning of the line, the cursor. So the function of the capital I is inserting text at the beginning of the line. So I type what I want. Something, for example, something. I just type what I want. Okay. And then in order to go with the small a, the next command, small a, first we have to go to the escape button, and then just make sure that we go with the small a. So press the small a. Okay, go. The current position just move its location to the next character. So we get a plain text. S something as I just type what I want. Okay. We go with the capital A. What the capital A function is, plain text at the end of the line. So we go with the capital A. There you go. The cursor will move to the end of the line, and then we can append text. Append text. Okay. And then we go with this next command, which is CW. Change the current word. In order to go with the change the current word, first we have to go with the what we want to change. Okay. In order to change the word, I choose here the word as. Okay. So we go with the small CW, and then insert what we want to change for. There's something about. So it's currently the change the current word from the S into the about. Okay, how about to insert new line and allow insertion? This goes with the new line below, so we have to go with the small o, and then small o, and then it will go and move the current position to the below of the current line, so we can append some text. Append some text, for instance. Alright, we go with the how to move up and down without using the editing mode. We have to go to the command mode. In order to do command mode for the right, left, up and down, we go with the escape button, and then if we want to go to left, we just press the H button. If we want to go with the right, we have to just press L button. In order we want to go with the up, we just press K. In order to we go with the go down, we just press J. Alright, it is right. So okay, we go with the next command, which is delete command. Okay, in order to delete current character, okay, for instance, I type some text, just a character A, for instance. In order to delete current character, okay, we go with the escape button, and then the current position will be go here A, and then just click the X, and it will delete the character of A. Here we go. It is right. So it doesn't need too much effort for delete the current character. Okay, in order to go with the delete a word, for instance, we go with this sound. Okay, so we go with the small dw. There you go. The word of sum have been deleted with the small dw. Okay, in order to delete the current line, like this appendix, we go with the small double D, and then we just press the small double D. You see? So, and then we go with the undo command. In order to undo what action we just done, so we go with the escape mode, and then we go to with the small u. This previous under the previous command. Okay, next. In order to find words in this VI editing, we should go with the some commands for searching the word. So, in order, let's see, we want to find text, find word of text here, text. So we just go with the escape button, and then we go with the /text. Okay, what the function? Why it doesn't go with this text? Because of this slash is for the forward. In order to go with the backward, we just go with this text. Yeah, you see, and the current position of cursor will be here. Okay, next. In order to copy words, we have to go some text what we want to copy, and then let's say we want to copy text word. text word, okay, word of text. So we go with the text, and then we'll accept button, and then just press small YW, okay, and it will be going to the buffer, um, buffer of of copy, and then we go what location we want to append the text. So in order to do paste, we go with the small p. Okay, it done. Okay, and then next, in order to save the file, we go with the escape button, and then go with double dot, and then we press the small double W, and then Q, and then press the enter button. Okay, it saved your VI editor just now. In order to check back, in order to check what we have done, so we just go with the cat the 21. Okay, that is what I typed just now. Okay, that's all from us. Goodbye and assalamualaikum.